Introducing Ethan, a junior studying fisheries and wildlife. Ethan's story is all about fishing and the outdoors. He loved it as a kid and still loves it today. With hands-on experiences and summer jobs in the field, VCSU's Fisheries program is preparing Ethan to turn his passion into a career. Throwing it over to you, Ethan.
Heyo, thanks for the introduction, Alex. Growing up, I never missed an opportunity to go fishing, which made VCSU's Fisheries and Wildlife program a perfect fit for me. I'm taking my passion and making it into my career. This program is the best place to get hands-on experience in a variety of environments. You can choose a focus in fisheries, wildlife, or conservation law enforcement, and many students mix and match to build even more skills. With all the class options and field experience opportunities, it has been one of the best choices for my career. I've been able to collaborate with departments like the North Dakota Game and Fish, Minnesota Department of Natural Resources, and various fisheries between the two states. This summer, I spent time working for the VCSU Macroinvertebrate Lab. I conducted aquatic macroinvertebrate and freshwater mussel surveys and assisted with outdoor camps for area youth. I'm also part of the Fisheries Club, where we share fishing tips, learn new fishing techniques, and discover new facts about fish and fishing. We even had some fun practicing how to back up a boat. The on-campus river access, nearby lakes, and state lands provide numerous opportunities to prepare me for a future career outdoors. From electrofishing smallmouth and muskie, to tagging sturgeon and walleye, to casting lines with friends on private lakes, I've had a blast turning my hobby into my profession. And it's always a bonus when we catch the big one. Even on the water, I've learned the importance of professionalism, communication, and taking every opportunity that comes my way. Well, Alex, the fish are biting, so casting it back to you.
Thank you, Ethan. We are so glad you found a school and a program that matches your passion and aspirations. The Fisheries and Wildlife program at VCSU prepares students for a wide range of jobs in the outdoors, including careers as wildlife biologists, fisheries technicians, and game wardens. Thank you for sharing your story, Ethan. That was fantastic.